Here's Chilwell! Oh, it's a fizzer!
Oh, what a strike from Nicolas Pepe!
Doherty. Another chance here. What a hit!
It is Milivojevic. Oh, a beauty! That's what he can do.
Clever from Bruno Fernandes, good awareness of what was on around him. Martial, still hunting the hat-trick. There it is, the first of his career.
Robertson. Fabinho! Oh! Did that fly or what?
Now it's De Bruyne. It's a good one, and it's in. Brilliant free kick. Look at the space that Greenwood has. Are they going to make them pay for this? You bet they are. Fernandes again. He doesn't miss them, does he?